Hi there, my name is Gene, your MakerLab YouTube series host, and today I'm going to talk about 3D printing and what it entails. So, in terms of 3D printing, it all starts with a digital 3D file. Here is an example of a file that you might buy online. There are also ways to create 3D models online using free software such as Tinkercad and Fusion 360. Here, let me show you some of the samples of the colors that we have. We call this PLA plastic, and this plastic is melted down inside of the 3D printer, and then because it is melted down, it will go onto the build plate, which will immediately cool it and solidify it into the thing you are trying to 3D print. These 3D model files are usually called STLs. The 3D model file is then split up into very fine layers in a software program called a slicer. The output from the slicer is a code, which tells the 3D printer how to move and where to lay down material. Once the code is loaded to the 3D printer, it will begin the production process. One layer is created at a time until the model is complete. This can take minutes or hours depending on the size of the model. So in my hands I have a recently printed 3D file, and as you can see, around it is a very thin, fine layer of 3D printed material that we call a brim. This brim helps keep the actual thing in place and helps it be stabilized and not fail. Once you're done printing, you can just simply slowly tear it off, and that comes off very easily, and now you have a closer model to what you were trying to 3D print. The next kind of post-processing is removing support. So if you look at this, it is a 3D printed bone, but because of the fact that it was printed not level, it added support at the base in order to, deal with a little issue we call gravity. But these supports are easily removed, and then you will have just the bone, which is what you were trying to 3D print in the first place. If you want to get more involved with the Illinois Maker Lab, check us out on social media. We have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and of course, YouTube. And make sure to check out our website. Bunch of info on there. Find out how you can get involved with the Illinois Maker Lab.